Hi my plain Janes and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a unicorn themed set. I'm so excited about this. This came out superb. Like, listen, I was hyped for this. And this is another trusted process because we are going to be doing ombre with some sponges, and that does take quite a while, so bear with me. We are going to be using those sponges that you see there, those colors from Snow, Bow, Mobulous top coat and base coat detail brush, chrome, and we're back at it again with that hard gel, that IBD, but I think I got the hang of it now. So, and I like how it turned out. We have some glitter here. I ended up using a different type of glitter, so don't mind that. And we're gonna use some camera magic. Without further ado, let's get started. So after the prep work has been finished, you are going to put a light coat of that pink or any other color. If you're doing ombre, you just want a light coat of any light color, so that it lets the process go a little bit faster when you do ombre. If you start off with just the clear, you'll just be patting just a little bit more on there. So it is just a good idea just to put down a base color that is lighter, and preferably one of the colors that you're going to be using to ombre. So that is what I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And you see my sponges here, get them ready. So my pink is going to be at the nail bottom, and then the purple is going to be at the tips, and then vice versa with the blue and the pink sponge for those nails. And I'm gonna be dabbing my life away. dabbing, and then you cure for 30 seconds, then you dab again, and you cure for 30 seconds, and you keep going until you get the desired look or the desired depth that you would like as far as coverage for your nail. Some people just want a light ombre, some people like to go darker. It's just up to you and how deep you want that shade of ombre to be on that nail. So I am gonna go in a couple times. I did do quite a bit of dabbing off camera, hint camera magic. So you're going to see the process kind of give way as far as the shade darkening, because I did some damping off camera just so that I can get these, get it in there. I'm getting work started, get it in there. So as you can see, that blue and pink is starting to show up. That pink and purple still needed a little bit more dabbing. So I did that and cured for 30 seconds, and each time you go through with this, you want to cure for 30 seconds. I don't do 60 seconds. You can if you want to, but just 30 seconds because it's just you're not applying a heavy bit of gel polish. It's literally a sponge sucking up that polish. So now when you're done and you like the finished look of that shade, you're going to use a top coat. I did a top coat so I can apply my glitters, and oh my gosh guys, let me tell you about these glitters. So this glitter is from Raya, and I purchased these a while back. I just never really had an excuse to use them, but I follow her on Instagram. She is Raya Raya 87. I'm gonna spell it out. I don't want to butcher this girl's name. But she has a shop called riasnails.com. I will put that up on the screen. And yeah, go follow her on Instagram. Her work is really, really phenomenal, as well as her products. Her products are A1. When I said like this glitter is giving every bit of unicorn that it can, like it's giving whimsical. Okay, that's sparkle, honey. It's sparkling. And then I also used some of the malar that I purchased from her website as well, and I'm excited for these malars too because I want to start doing these aura nails, kind of like glass nails, but it's like aura nails, and use some malar in there. It's a whole thing, but I've been seeing that trend around as well, and I want to kind of recreate some nails like that. So that is me applying some of that malar onto the corner of that nail. But yes, go check her out, guys. She is the real deal. And her products again are phenomenal. Like, they're really good products. So check her out and her website. But yeah, after I'm done with that, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. And then once that is done, I'm going to cover that up with the top coat and cure for another 60 seconds. And after that, the fun begins when we get into this hard gel. So I am very proud of myself. Okay, I don't care what anybody says. The look that I was going for, which is kind of like unicorn horns. You know how they have like the spirals on them. So I was trying to create some textured spiral to make it a textured unicorn horn on that nail. So I'm very glad of how those came out. And again, once you apply this, when you put your top coat on it, everything melts together. Okay, the key word in this video today is melting, because baby, all these top coats melted everything. We are melting everything together. So as you can see, I'm just dipping that detail brush in there and wiping those curvy lines on there, or those diagonal lines on there, so I can get that unicorn horn look after I put my top coat on there. And then I'm gonna go on with my chrome, because you can't have unicorn without chrome or iridescent colors, you know? Like we said, we're trying to be whimsical, okay? And watch that baby melt. And watch that baby melt. It just came together. All right, look at that. Look at that. Just melted like butter. It just melted all together. I love it. So you could leave it just like that if you wanted to for that textured unicorn horn look. I feel like if it was a narrow shape like a stiletto or almond, you would really get that effect, but we're not doing that shape. This is a custom set for a customer, so it still gave what it was supposed to as far as the theme and that textured unicorn horn. So I am happy with using that hard gel. At first I was like, yo, hard gel, but now I'm warming up to it. It's giving me good vibes. And now we're going to apply this silver chrome powder that I got from Amazon onto those unicorn horn nails. on there, and just look at that. I love the fact that it's on there and it kept the ombre color at the same time. Girl, listen, this thing came out, it did what it's supposed to do. Okay, this theme was theming, not steaming, theming. So I really love how they came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I will listen. I don't know what else to say. I can't stop staring at them. It came out so cute. And don't forget to click that notification bell, subscribe, tell a friend, like and share and comment. Don't forget that there is still a summer giveaway going on, so don't forget to subscribe to be eligible, as well as following those rules, guys. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.